Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Rhino Folding Survival Shovel. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is your best bet if you need a heavy-duty camping shovel made of carbon steel with a firm grip and a sharp edge. This camping shovel has a variety of applications and, most importantly, it is small enough to fit in your backpack. This shovel has tough, sharp saw teeth that allow for quick and precise cutting. You'll have no trouble erecting a tent or cutting through wood. This camping shovel also functions as a pickaxe. Because of the twist lock mechanism, the shovel head can be locked at 90 degrees for use as a hoe or pickaxe. It has a tough handle designed for a secure grip and folds up small enough to take on hiking trips. For details, let's watch more. Our second best camping shovel is Bond LH047 Square Head Shovel. The Mini D handle shovel has a firm grip that allows for easy movement of campsite objects. This option is ideal for campers who want to get years of use out of a shovel and has a powerful fiberglass handle and rust-resistant paint. The Bond LH047 Mini Shovel is ideal for those looking for a basic tool with no frills. Despite its small size, it can replace the function of a larger shovel surprisingly well. It has sharpened edges for breaking up tough ground and making hole digging easier. Third in our list is Cold Steel Spetsnaz Tactical Camp Shovel. For camping trips, the classic, straightforward Cold Steel Special Forces shovel is a must-have. It appears to be a standard shovel for digging and cutting, but it has a 2 mm thick medium carbon steel head. The hardwood handle provides the firm grip required for successful shoveling. It does not fold, but it is light and compact enough to fit into your pack. It's an excellent choice if you need a traditional shovel for everyday camping tasks like digging holes for tent stakes. This shovel has a strong hardwood handle, a broad flat steel blade, and 3 sharp edges. We've heard stories of it being used to dig foxholes and bunkers, chop branches, build shelters, act as an improvised paddle, and even as a last resort weapon of defense. Our Spetsnaz shovel is also a favorite among throwers, thanks to its head-heavy balance and multiple sharp edges, which make it an excellent alternative to a tomahawk for sport and recreational throwing. Number 4 in our best camping shovel list is Suncoon Survival Shovel. The shovel head is made of thickened high-carbon steel that has been surface hardened and heat-treated. Durable, wear-resistant, and rust-proof. Enough to deal with a variety of outdoor adventure scenarios. The shovel handle is made of strong and lightweight military-grade thickened aviation aluminum alloy material. A secure grip. The safety rope is sufficient to ensure your safety. The Suncoon Camping Axe Shovel is one of the best folding camping shovels with multi-purpose capabilities. A digging shovel, an axe, a saw, a hoe, a hook, and a wrench can all be attached to the sturdy handle. Furthermore, the handle, which includes a built-in compass, screwdriver, tactical knife, and fishing harpoon, comes in a variety of lengths. If you enjoy a particular camping activity, this shovel is likely to include a tool for it. They've even incorporated a survival whistle, a bottle opener, and an axe into it. Our last pick is SOG Entrenching Folding Survival Shovel. If you need a razor-sharp camping shovel, the SOG Specialty Knives and Trenching Tool is for you. The trifold design of this collapsible shovel allows it to fold up into the smallest possible size to easily fit into your gear. Aside from its small size, this tool is very useful, especially for cutting, thanks to the carbon steel knife at the top. The blade rotates as well and can be used as a pick or a hoe. It serves as a hiking shovel, a digging shovel, and a cutting tool. This tool is one of the best options on the market due to its lightweight design and high-quality carbon steel construction. The lightweight foldable outdoor, hunting, and military shovel is versatile and will do the job. The E-tool has a wood saw edge that can be used to cut or chop small branches and trees for kindling or fire building.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!